guys, welcome back. Today's video is a very quick, kind of just like everyday evening like cleaning routine. So I've been in the office on this day, so this was just like after work of, you know, how messy the house is and what I do before I settle down for the evening. So before I moved into the house, there was a dog, and then before that, I think the previous tenants had cats too. So I feel like the collection of fur is possibly not just from my pets, but I could be wrong there, as I do obviously have a lot of pets. So brushing the floors really does help to get the fur up. And I have been doing this like every day, if not every other day, since I took over the tenancy on this house. But I would like a carpet cleaner, and I've seen people like rake their carpets with like an outdoor like rake that you have in your garden. So I might see if I can get one of them, but I'm scared that it might like rip the carpets.
For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know, man, passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
Cooper does not like the Hoover, but he also likes to follow me everywhere. So this next clip is literally just him watching what I'm doing, figuring out where I am, and then following me everywhere I go. If you have a dog, or especially a German Shepherd, they are literally your shadow, but they are the best. And he just looks so cute there. He is the best dog.
Reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So the last task of today is just wiping down the sides with the Flash. I think this is the Mrs. Hinch one, the spray wipe done, which I used to think it was called spray wipe down, but it's not. And I'm just moving Harriet out the way so that I don't obviously spray any cleaning chemicals near her. Which she wasn't very happy about that, but that's just cats. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.